Hello, morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Money Steps. Today is 10th of July 2023. So this episode is 005 morning markets on the Malaysia, US market as well. So let's move ahead for the disclaimer first. This video is for the educational purpose. It's not a buying or selling call for the viewer or subscriber and the investor as well. So let's move ahead for the markets. So before we proceeding, I believe I need to go through some stock that I picked earlier on from the last week, which is last Thursday. I did pick on MSC. So I did pick for the MSC, and the so Thursday the stock is spiking up, closing 4% up with an attractive, very convincing volume at this moment. Of course, the selling pressure is coming in once it's going closer to the resistance level. I would say current stage, the price is still ongoing with attractive at this moment. If you are holding for this stock, you can continue holding it as per earlier suggestions for the stop loss and the target price. So you can check the old posting in my channel, so robots. So and next thing, we may go through the last Friday markets in the US. So this one is the Nasdaq Composite Index. So we can see that the US market last Friday, actually they did try to close the gap. Yep, they did try to close the gap for the Iceland right over here, and but the selling pressures emerged after it testing closing the gaps. So we still need to monitor for the market on the US as well, because overnight last Friday US non-farm payroll market is worsened than the forecast, but still acceptable, I would say. So you can see S&P 500 also formed the same trending as Nasdaq. Dow Jones is coming lower. But it's still on the uptrend at this moment. We can draw a line right here for the strong resistance for the Dow Jones. So this is the thing that we need to look closely, because resistance bounce off is very serious. So we go back for the Malaysia markets. So today Malaysia market, we go through one by one for the stock pick by the research house. So T7 Global, let's have a look. This one M Plus stock picks T7 Global. I believe the Maybank also picked the same stock, T7 Global. We can look into it. So T7 Globals, they come out with what they call, the target price range is 47.50 cents. Let's zoom out a little bit. So let's see. So the gray box here is the first target level, which is pretty close for the resistance level. The next target will be 55 cents. So very much standard for the resistance and target. But the stop loss is a bit too big for one half. It's more than 10%. It's a bit too big for the large for the stop loss level. I would say you can have a closer stop cut loss level. Okay, so the next thing, there's one thing I haven't go through yet, which is the local markets updates. So let's have a look on the Maybank Investment Bank research. Okay, it's saying that KLC has set for the cautious start of the market fueled by the bearish sentiments, fear of recessions. So the recessions has been in the media since last year's, even last 2 years. But the US market has been bullish for a couple months back. Yep. But you may have a look whether you want to go for the recession fear, or you want to joining the bullish sentiment in the US market. So okay, the sentiment will stay cautious ahead for the US CPI, PPI, and the China CPI, PPI. So the CPI index is lagging indicators. they are expecting the KLCI to trading within a range of 1370 to 1390. Excuse me. I try to end the session as soon as possible because I do have coughing. Okay, next stocks picking by Research House IHB, Penta. Penta was a stock that picked by myself and Maybank Research Chartist as well last week. Okay, we can see that the IHB is a bit slow for the picking. Maybe they are picking others' preference. So we can see that last week we did pick right over here. It should be right over here. The volume is coming in, so their ISP is picking 3 days later with a breakout of 505, the group purple color here, with a stop loss level 485. So stop loss level considered acceptable. So the red color is a stop loss by the Maybank. Okay. Let's zoom out for the target price. Target price given by the ISP is 530 and 560. Okay, so risk reward quite okay. The blue color is the target price given by the Maybank Investment Bank, 540 and 580. So the next one we talk about the Parkson. And they are talking about breakout 0.215 right over here, which is already broken. We zoom in with a stop loss level 20 cents acceptable. So we zoom out for the target price, which is 24 and 26 cents. Yep. Yeah, Parkson did come in a volume, which I noticed that a couple of weeks back, which is somewhere around here. Yes, it's pretty nice break for the trading sentiment in Parkson. So we can see that Maybank Investment Bank is also picking for the T7 Globals, and they do have a sell call on the 1WG. You can check on their research or Maybank Trade apps. So I believe that's all for today. Thank you very much and good.